Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the June invitation for the Look for Less challenge. If you are new here and don't know what the Look for Less challenge is, it is a challenge that I host every month with a different co-host. In this challenge, we ask you to take a piece from a high-end home decor store and recreate it for a whole lot less. This month, my co-host is Haley over at The Farmer and the Southern Belle. And yes, they really do have their own farm. Haley loves to share day-in-the-life videos of their family on the farm. She shares shopping hauls, she shares home decor inspiration like tablescape, and also does DIY home decor. She's been a participant of my Look for Less challenge in the past, and I am so happy that she is my co-host this month. Make sure you head on over to her channel and give her some love and let her know that I sent you. So if you plan on joining the Look for Less challenge this month, here are some dates and all the rules. Rule number 1, you have 2 weeks to complete the challenge. Your projects are due Wednesday, June 24th at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rule number 2, make sure you include the name of the hosts for the month. That's me, the Latina next door, and Haley over at The Farmer and the Southern Belle. Make sure to include links to our channels in your description box and include the link of the playlist of everyone who's participating. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel and you still wish to participate, you can always create a project of your own and tag us over on Instagram. Rule number 3, it has to be a home decor piece. It can be as large as a furniture piece or as small as a napkin ring. That one is up to you. And rule number 4, you have to show us your inspiration piece and how much it costs, alongside your recreated piece, because we want to see how well you did and how much you saved. I look forward to seeing everyone's submissions this month. You guys come up with some serious looks for less. I am so blessed to have a community that appreciates and loves this series so much. Make sure you hit like if you enjoy this series and comment below if you plan on joining us this month. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.